Tesla's cathode plant is the first and only one of its kind in North America. We're using a novel process that is inherently cheaper, cleaner, and more scalable.
Cathode is the lifeblood of an electric vehicle. Most of the performance in the cell really comes from the high nickel-rich chemistry in our cathode material that really enables us to maximize energy density and extend the range of our vehicles.
Tesla has done a really outstanding job in terms of being efficient in both how we do things and also what we do. A big piece of that is having really clever engineering. Generally, we consume less of what we do. What we do consume, we do it more efficiently. We consume less oxygen, we use less power to heat it up, and then all that equates to us consuming less water on the back end. We plan to be 74% more efficient on a greenhouse gas basis compared to our tier 1 suppliers.
Our cathode process starts by mixing precursor, which is composed of nickel, manganese, and cobalt, as well as lithium hydroxide.
We then densify our raw material before we send it through the kiln. The kiln is used for calcination purposes to actually turn the raw material into intermediate cathode. It's then processed to remove magnetic impurities to produce our final cathode active material.
This is just the beginning. We're building and installing the largest kilns used for battery materials in the world. This will double the capacity of our plant here in Austin, Texas.
This ensures energy independence both for Tesla and the United States for generations to come.